I'm Lucas, and you're watching 1194 video. Here's some of the plastic on the truck from the dash to the Mountaineer. I've already pulled my steering wheel out. Here's the dash as of right now. I've got it all, everything pulled out. Everything on the dash. I'm taking this dash out. I'm gonna build my pieces for the side here. I'm gonna take it completely, do some spray on glass and glass the whole dash, clean it up, spray it red. I got brand new red seats to go in it, and I also got red carpet, console, and door panels for the truck. So got all my original hookups there off the firewall, all disconnected. So it's all to that point right now. I've scuffed the dash up and I've cleaned it with paint thinner, and I've put about 6 coats of epoxy on there, so you can see it's real nice and smooth. But once it's fully cured, I can water sand these down, these pieces, and I'm going to be painting these pieces. And there's the lower driver. But once they're fully cured, since I did put a lot of epoxy on here, as soon as it's fully cured, I can water sand these down, and then I'm going to shoot these with Audi R8 Supercar Red. One of the brightest colors red you can buy. I've got all new custom interior that I'll be putting in it. It's the code there, Audi Brilliant Red. Now we'll show you the color. There's the red. That will be the red that's going to be going on the dash of the truck. Got it all painted, base coat, clear coat. I'm going to put probably 3 more coats on it, but you can see how nice it looks. This is the interior shot. I've just put this up here just to hold a speaker, just temporary till my new panels come in. But from the ratty old interior that you saw previously to all new interior, to cover the gap between the dash, I made this piece right here out of 16 gauge steel and did carbon fiber on it. And of course I painted the dash. I done it in epoxy, sanded it down, and then put base coat clear. It could still use water sanded and being buffed. The floor mats that I ordered, it came with rear floor mats for a car, and I used the material from it to make this center section piece. Go to the other side. I got new windows, new trim, new rubber, all that. These pieces here, I made those. I got these pieces here from Lowe's. They don't hold the seat up, they're just some trim for some, you know, a little bit added niceness. But that's the interior. And then next I'm going to take you and show you the bed that I've been working on. Alright, here's the bed. I used 16 gauge steel on the brake and bent all my edges, and I used trailer fenders here to make my inner wheel tubs go all the way to the front. I got to finish doing a few more little places I'm welding and grind all that down. I've got red Raptor liner. I'm going to shoot all the inside of this red. And there's the bottom. I'm working on this right here right now. I had to do a little patch here, make these pieces to hold my bed real strong so now it can't move. I had to make a patch right here. They got to finish welding. And I got that patch right there out of this other bedside, because this bedside right here wasn't no count. So that bedside there, I actually pulled off of a 65 Ford and used a brand new end that I put on it for a 66 Bronco. These are drilled all the way through my frame, and they're welded on the bottom of the frame and on the top. So those will be my tie downs, and also they'll be beneficial to picking the bed up and mounting it on the truck as well. But this bed, it probably weighs at least 300 pounds right now, so it'll lower the truck down just about an inch once the bed's sitting on it. And I got some sand here. I gotta get that sand put on that rust there to get it all eat off. And then of course there's the truck there. I also have a brand new one-piece headliner for this truck. Got to get the hood off, finish doing some welding on the bottom of the hood, clean it up. I'm gonna do red Raptor liner on the bottom of the hood as well, and finish it up and finish the top. Right here I have some cracking. The hose were welded up, but I tried to put the hood on by myself and I dropped it, and I think that's what caused my cracking. But there's where I'm at right now, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to see some future progress on this truck. And until next time, thanks for watching.